Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sell Adobe Express templates. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, you might want to click the sign up option so you can start selling templates by creating a free account. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Selling Adobe Express templates is a great way to monetize your creative skills. All right. Now, the idea is once you have created your account here in Adobe Express, I want you to hover to the start from your own content where you can upload and edit your own images, PDFs, and more. Basically, what we're going to do here is to create the content from our own. And obviously from there, we're going to sell that as a template in other cross-platform. All right, so I want you to click on this button right here, and when you do, in my case, I have already created a template right here. You see, I'm happy with how it looks because it's great. The elements are well placed together, and I suggest while you are creating your own template, you might want to use the margins. Make sure you show the margins and show the bleed so you can have like a ruler and guide as you place the elements and they are evenly spaced out, all right? Because you don't want to sell your templates if they are not spaced out properly. Now, for example, this is going to be the template that you want to sell as part of your journey here as a graphic designer. All you have to do is you might want to go to the share button. You see, there should be an option here that says make a template. Okay, click on that arrow. You have two templates right here if you want. Just gonna choose the first one right here. The idea is saving templates to a brand or library is a premium feature. All right, you might wanna try the premium first because, as you know, my account is on free trial. So if you are using a free trial, you're not gonna be able to use this feature. So you have to subscribe to the premium plan. But don't worry, because doing so will give you the feature and the tool and remove the limitations so you can sell the Adobe Express template that you have created. Now, another option that you can do if you don't want that is create a public template. All right, you can create a brand to save template with locks and restrictions. All you're gonna do is create the template link right here. Just wait for it to load. Once you have created the template, you might want to choose a selling platform. All right, so use an e-commerce or market platform to sell your templates. One of the popular options includes Etsy, which is ideal for selling digital downloads. All right. Another option that you can go is Creative Market, which is one of the best platform for tailored for graphic designers. All right. So as you can see, you can basically just create an account here. It's really easy. I am a member of this platform or a website. From here, you have all these entrepreneur stock images. You see, it's a graphic design, right? It's a template. All you're going to do is sell your graphic designs here that you have created in Adobe Express. So you have all that, all right? You can start earning with a creative market, all right? You can sell your designs right here, as you can see, and reach millions of buyers or promote other artists on creative market to earn cash. You have two options. You can open a shop or become an affiliate. If you click that, what would happen is, you see, you can earn cash sharing stunning assets, refer your network to creative market, and earn a commission or any new or returning customer purchases. Basically, not only you are selling your content or your templates here created from Adobe Express, you're also going to be earning a passive income for becoming an affiliate. All right, you can spread the word and build your empire, support the creators, and become an affiliate and apply today. Once you click this button, all you have to do is just put in all the information that is required, your country, email, password, and then verify email, and you would be ready to start your career here in creative market. Another option that you could explore is Gumroad. Gumroad is, again, an easy to use platform for selling digital products, similar to Etsy and of course to creative market. So I have an account here. And all I have to do is very simple, like what we did here in Creative Market. All I have to do is create an account here. All right. You can start selling your product here. It's very easy, right? Go from $0 to $1. With Gumroad, anyone can earn from a first dollar online. Just start with what you know. see what sticks, and get paid. It's that easy. All right. See that? Now, I want you to click on the start your career here, start selling. Now, all you have to do is just use all of the accounts that you have and start from there. All right. Now, another platform wherein you can showcase your graphics design ability and, of course, sell your Adobe Express templates is just here in Fiverr, wherein all you have to do is create your account. And from here, you can search for any service, for example, graphic design, and sell your amazing templates that you have created in Adobe Express. It's very easy, really. All right. Another platform after Fiverr is gonna be Upwork. You see, these are gonna be some of the top talents that they could explore. You can be part of this. All right, one of the leading top talents if you go for the design and creatives. Obviously, your name will appear here if you are one of the best freelancer that can offer the best templates created from Adobe Express. All right, all I have to do is click the Get Started button, and obviously you need to create your account using free emails that you can do, and then from there, for example, if you go to the graphics designer, these are the top players right now. Obviously, if you're one of them, you would see your face here, and you can support and offer amazing and stunning, inspiring graphic design templates that you have created in Adobe Express. All right, so these are some of the channels that you can work with. Now, going back to the template that we have created, right? So you have created the link. For example, you applied for any opportunities from these platforms. You might want to go to the upper right corner where you can see the download options. All right, so you have a lot. For example, if you want to save a copy of this as a hard file, you might want to choose from any of the formats. You can download a transparent PNG, which is best for images, a JPEG, which is best for small file sizes, PDF, PDF print, and MP4. All right, so these are going to be some of the files that you can save here in Adobe Express to, of course, showcase your Adobe Express templates. Not only that, you can also go to the share button wherein you can go to the Save to Cloud. You can save a copy of this as a backup data in Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, and this. If you want to share this amazing design to your social media, just click on Share to Social. You can self-promote yourself to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms that you think you would be able to flourish and start your career as a graphics designer, selling all of these templates here in Adobe Express. All right, and you might want to make sure that you research your competitors' price. All right, determine a fair price, offer bundles, and obviously, if you could, provide free samples to build your audience. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.